I got involved in robotics after a recommendation from my 4th grade teacher, and it turned out to be a lot of fun. And it was really cool to me as a 4th grader to walk in and see all these people programming and building things, and immediately got me hooked. So I joined, and it's brought me here now, where now we're working with real metal and real tools, and not just Legos, and we're actually writing code, not just using drag and drop programming. And it's something that I can apply anywhere and everywhere in life.
My favorite thing about robotics is probably the teamwork aspect. Like you don't work against each other, you work with each other, and I think that's a great thing. And it also leads into the real world because you're going to need those teamwork skills for jobs and even just like with the family too.
Well, I have learned a lot of teamwork and a ton of perseverance. We do need to do a lot of that with all the problems that we have to work through. We, not only with programming, since we all are kind of mixed in jobs, we have people that everyone basically does everything. And so I've learned how to drive and how to build a robot, how to do wiring.
Well, the obvious part of it is the science and technology piece, that they get to learn different science concepts and math concepts in a real-world setting, which is very, very important. But on top of that, the teamwork aspect and the learning to adjust to things you don't expect and just real-world problems that you might come about, and you must learn to solve quickly and get along with people at the same time. That will do well for them in any career, so that's really, really important.
Coming into junior year, I really didn't have a set career path. I really had no idea what I wanted to be among all the options that there are. And joining robotics, it makes me seriously consider being an engineer, maybe a mechanical engineer or something along those lines. I'm seriously thinking about going to catering now, and I think that anyone can join robotics and learn and have fun, whether it be with mechanical or electrical or the business side with fundraising and getting sponsors.
I've learned things about engineering and programming and electrical that I never would have known otherwise. I've learned about Excel spreadsheets, oddly enough. And yeah, I just learned how to talk to people more on a more professional basis.
I'm going to say no matter what I get into, whether I'm going to be a vet, whether I'm going to be, I don't know, an industrial designer, if I want to be a dentist, no matter what, this is going to help you. It's, even if it has nothing to do with, mechanical or programming, it's got to have that team building that you're going to need, the teamwork for any job, not just that, the communication skills that is going to be required for future, even job interviews.
They realized that teamwork, they realized that dedication and commitment all plays a major factor in order to succeed in anything that you do. Yes, it is hard work. It is time consuming. However, the rewards outweigh all of that. Just this year alone in FIRST, there has been over $50 million available to only FIRST students in college scholarships and vocational schools. There's so much more than the robot. And as a saying that we have in FIRST, it's more than robots. It's about the life skills and the things that you learn along the way and to take away to be a better person.